Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this portable shower. It's a ACETEK camping shower, an AC-Tech outdoor camp shower pump with intelligent digital display. And it's a rechargeable camping shower kit, handheld. Shower head kit for camping, of course. For the beach, for the pool, for rinsing, for pet cleaning, car cleaning, and for pumping, of course. This portable outdoor shower is upgraded with an LCD screen that shows real-time battery level and temperature parameters from 32 degrees Fahrenheit up to 140, the highest ambient temperature for the battery operating. More intuitive to know the water temperature and power status than others indicator lights. And the portable shower for camping is equipped with a filter mesh in the pump and a replaceable filter cotton in the shower head to prevent clogging and guarantee clean water. This outdoor shower kit weighs about 1.5 pounds. This is lightweight and portable to carry in luggage, backpack, or a car trunk. This offers a powerful water pressure and a stable water flow of 0.8 gallons per minute. This brings us an easy shower indoor and outdoor. With innovative design of the built-in on-off valve, we can control the water flow from on and off and adjust the intensity of the water flow by tilting the shower head at different angles. A plus for convenience and saving water. The water outlet of the portable camping shower has stainless steel flat surface and finest holes. Easy to clean and hard to accumulate dirt like traditional shower heads. The portable shower head is light and handy. Even kids can grab it without effort. The outdoor camping shower comes with a USB rechargeable 4000 mAh battery which can work continuously up to 90 minutes. If full charged by the power bank, phone adapter, laptop, or a car USB output. The split-type battery is more convenient to recharge separately. This outdoor shower kit comes with a suction cup and an S-hook, which allows us to hang the shower head overhead or mount on any flat surface like car windows. This helps us enjoy convenient and hands-free shower. And the portable camp shower is an ideal gift for enthusiasts of outdoor adventures like camping and hiking, and also practical for pool or beach showering. This is a kit for bathing, pet cleaning, car wash, plant watering, etc. You see, it's really easy to use and to operate this shower system here. It's cool because it's a portable camping shower, JP2204, and it comes to you with all what you need. Really, we have a shower head, a seal ring, a hole connector, of course a battery which we can separate, a main frame, a filter cotton, a waterproof protective cover, hooks and a hook holder, suction cup, and a Type-C charging cable. So you have what you need. We install the O-ring into the shower connector and connect it to the shower head. If the O-ring is already installed, then of course you have not to add another O-ring to it. We connect the water pump, easy peasy, one of the end of the water hole to the outlet of the water pump. We turn the shower connector clockwise and lock it with the water pump to complete the assembly. We put the water pump into clean water and enjoy the pleasure of outdoor shower. And of course we can make battery assembling and charging. We can easy peasy we unlocking and insert the battery. After insert the battery and rotating 90 degrees clockwise, the battery is locked and used. We can direct of the battery used for lock status is 90 degrees counterclockwise to unlock and remove the battery pack. And then of course we can reload it with an USB-C source. Easy peasy baby. That's cool, that's easy to operate, and then we can make a good job. The shower can be manually and mechanically switched on and off. Before switching to use the shower, we need to make sure that the air have been totally discharged from the hole. We press and hold 3 seconds to turn it off, the power button of it. We short press on the button, it switch between power display and temperature display. Then we have numbers plus degrees Celsius, the water temperature detection, and we have numbers with +%, it's the remaining battery power. The pump will automatically shut down while it's run over 10 seconds without any water loading. So this is a safety thing. With a portable shower, model JP2204, the net weight is 528 grams. The shower size is 221 to 70 to 50 millimeter. And the pump size is 72 to 45 to 163 millimeter. The voltage there is DC 3.7 volts up to 4.2 volt. The current is more than 3.68. The water flow 3 liters per minute, full charged of course. The power supply is a lithium battery. The time use is 60 up to 90 minutes. The capacity 4,000 milliamp hour. The charging method is any USB output 5 volt, 1 ampere. The charging time is 4 up to 6 hours. And we can take a maintenance job with it. It's easy. Remove the bottom side of the pump and replace and clean the filter. Job's done. Easy peasy. And then we can go back and have fun with that really cool portable shower for a head set for camping, for example, for clean our dog, clean our car, clean our cat or our elephant or what you like to clean. It's easy peasy, of course, with that because it's mobile and you can use it outdoor. This is a nice pump system for mobile use or, of course, indoor is possible too because the power source is a battery operated system. This is the ACT portable shower and camping shower head and set. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback and hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.